From our courts, we're watching this story. A teenager who allegedly stabbed and killed a schoolmate in Alexandra last Monday is back in court. He appeared briefly last week for a preliminary inquest. His case has now been moved to the Child Justice Court. eNCA's Silindelo Masikane is at the Alexandra Magistrates Court and joins us now for an update. And Silindelo, so there are specific ways of dealing with children who are in trouble with the law, because this teenager may be a murder suspect but remains a child nonetheless in the eyes of the law. Just tell us about the processes around this court appearance.
As you would imagine, Tulas, that because this involves a minor, then there are certain rights that need to be acknowledged when it comes to this particular matter. And what we understand, of course, is that the minor, the 15-year-old minor, did appear here at the Alexandra Magistrates Court in the Child Justice Course, that is, and that was in camera. Those proceedings have concluded. It was yet another brief appearance here in the Magistrates Court, and we understand that following his appearance, the minor is now going to be kept at a place of custody until his next appearance on the 8th of October, and the matter has been postponed for further investigations.
And because it happened in camera, Silindelo, I imagine that it's not the regular open justice processes that we have in our courts. But I wonder if the families, perhaps of the child, the suspect himself, and also the family of the victim, were possibly able to attend?
By the community members close to the school and close to where that shack was. And so you can imagine that the family of the minor who's now passed away is certainly hoping that the wheels of justice will be turning quickly in this matter. But the matter has now, of course, been postponed to next month.
All right, thank you for that. That's eNCA's Silindelo Masikane out at the Alexandra Magistrates Court tracking that story. And of course, where you are talking about the child, there are specific rules that govern the issue of children who are in conflict with the law. I believe the act is known as the Child Justice Act, and issues of capacity, the ability to, appreciate the difference between wrong and right and actually act with that understanding become issues that come to the fore, as well as that whole provision in our Constitution that in any matter involving a child, the child's best interests basically are of paramount importance.